inclusion is really important to achieve the SDG and for water prosperity.
There's really strength in numbers, and it's one thing to have one youth leader to be advocating, but to have us all together advocating for the same messages makes a greater impact.
I feel we need to engage more youth because for me, I'm a key believer, I'm a key taker that youths are not leaders of tomorrow, but they are leaders of today. So if you are going to involve youths, let them be there full time, let them participate with no boundaries.
You can't do it alone, you have to always work together and as a team.
We need to ensure that we're collaborating with people on all levels of governance, from local to industry professionals and governments as well.
The solutions for water need to take everyone into account, especially on the local level of small communities.
People in my place already they already did the adaptation and mitigation of the climate change and how they deal with water. Now what we have to do is to support them, and government doesn't just like come and teach them, but they will build from what people know.
One of my key takeaway messages is the importance of working with communities.
Solutions need to come from the communities, and that communities need to be involved and leading the projects and the solutions to water challenges.
There is a common saying which goes like, charity begins at home. If we are going to push for policies, if we are going to push for something that involves the community, it's better we rehearse with the community and let the community first accept it, and then we advocate for it.